In this video, we are going to see about fractions for grade 5. For knowing about fractions, you can see here there are three figures. Figure 1, this is a one full circle. Now the same circle that is divided into 2. Here it was divided into 4 equal parts. Now here in figure 2, one part is shaded. So we can say that the whole part is equally divided into 2 and one part is shaded. So we can say that the shaded portion in the figure is 1 by 2. Here 2, that is whole circles is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of the 2 part, one part is shaded, that is 1 by 2. This is called fraction. Okay, here 1 by 2 is called fraction. That is a part of whole. 2 is whole, that is this whole portion is shaded, so we can say that 1 by 2 portion of this sphere is shaded. Now if you consider the third figure, here this is divided into 4 equal parts, so we can in figure 3 one portion is shaded, so we can write the shaded portion is 1 by 4, that is 4. This whole figure is divided. In figure 4, out of 4 part, 2 part is shaded. So the shaded portion that you can write 2 by 4. Here the shaded portion is 2 by 4. Now in figure 5 and 6, you can see here there are 3 part is shaded. So here you can write the shaded portion is 3 by 4. Now in the last one, here you can write all the part is shaded. So shaded portion part you can write 4 by 4. From this diagram, we can say that first figure only one part, it was not divided into any equal parts. Now here it was divided into 2 equal parts, so we can write the portion of shaded portion is 1 by 2. Now here in figure 3, it was divided into 4 equal parts, out of one part is shaded, so we can write 1 by 4. Here in figure 4, 2 part is shaded out of the 4 parts, so we can write 2 by 4. Here 3 part is shaded, so we can write 3 by 4. Here the entire part is shaded, so we can write 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So we can say that fraction is a part of whole. That is a fraction normally that was denoted by A by B. A is called numerator, and B is called denominator. B is called denominator. Okay, now numerator and denominator. This is called fraction. Okay, fraction is a part of whole and it was written in the form of A by B, and A is called numerator and B is called denominator. Now we are going to see what are the different types of fraction. Types of fraction. We know that fraction that is in the form of A is called numerator, B is called denominator. Now based on the value of A and B, fractions are of different type. Here you can see one set of fractions. Here you can see in all the fraction the value of numerator is less than that of the denominator. Value of the numerator is less than that of the denominator. If numerator value is less than that of the denominator, then that fractions are called proper fraction. Proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? Proper fraction is nothing but numerator is less than the denominator. Then that fraction is. Here you can see another one set of example: 5 by 3, 25 by 12, 50 by 40, 121 by 91. In these fractions, all the fraction, the denominator value is less than the numerator. Denominator is less, numerator is greater. This type of fractions are called the improper fraction. This type of fractions are called improper fraction. So what is improper fraction? Improper fractions, denominator value is less than that of the numerator. Now you can see another one set of example. Here if a fraction 4 1 by 3, here 1 by 3 is fraction and 4 is a whole number, or 12 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction, 12 fraction is called mixed fraction. So we can say that mixed fraction is one whole number, then one fraction, and this fraction that must be a proper fraction. That is, in the case of mixed fraction is whole number plus proper fraction, that is called mixed fraction. Now you can see another one group of fractions. In this fraction the numerator value is 1. So if the numerator value is 1, then that is called unit fraction. If the numerator value is 1, then that is called unit fraction. Now you can see another one set of fraction, 5 by 12, 15 by 12, 123 by 12. In these fraction value is same, numerator is different, then these fractions are called like fraction. These fractions are called like fraction. Now if all are different, that is if numerator, that is 7 by 8 or 8 by 15, 17 by 21, here all are different, then these fractions are called So these are the different types of fractions. Proper fraction means numerator value is less than the denominator value. Improper fraction is denominator is less than the numerator. Numerator is big, denominator is small, then it is called improper fraction. Mixed fraction is a whole plus a improper fraction, whole number plus improper fraction, that is called a mixed fraction. Now unit fraction means numerator value is 1. Unlike fraction means if in all the fraction if the denominator is same, then we can say that that is like fraction. If numerator and denominators are different, then it is called unlike fraction. Thank you.